Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to install the Pivot Explorer product in SharePoint Online. To do that, you need to have access to the admin center. Usually you find that here, admin right there. And that takes you to the Microsoft 365 admin center, and then you find SharePoint admin center there. And in SharePoint Center, you find the more features, and then you go to apps, and that's exactly where I am there in manage apps. And there you upload the SPPKG file that you've downloaded from my site. So there you go into, and I have it on the desktop here, and there's the SPPKG file there. So you just open that and it will upload. And now you have two choices: to deploy it to all the sites, or you can deploy it to each and every site manually. Now it's uploaded and you get the question, what do you want to do? Only upload this app or enable this app and add it to all sites? So enable app, I'll do that on all the sites. So then I can go back to my site in a few seconds here and see that the button of Pivot Explorer has been added to that site. Let's go back here, and of course I do need to refresh the page here. There we go, refresh, and now there should be an additional button here, and there's the button Pivot Explorer. So now I only have 280 rows here, but it still doesn't give me really the overview that I need, and that's exactly what Pivot Explorer gets you, an overview. So it's creating the reports, and there you go, it creates your first report, and that's it. That's the installation of Pivot Explorer in SharePoint Online. Thank you for watching this demonstration.